Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at how do we find the mean variation. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that we need to do is figure out the mean. So we should already know that the mean is calculated by finding all of these added together and then dividing by how many we have. So that's going to be our first step. We're going to determine the mean. So we're going to add 58 plus 88 plus 40 plus 60, 72, 66, 80, and 48, all of these speeds, and then divide by how many speeds we have. Well, if you count how many we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a total of 8 speeds. So that's where we get this 8 from. I add them all up, divide by 8, so my mean is 64. Now, we need to find the mean absolute deviation, so not just the mean. What that means is we're now going to find out how far are these numbers from the mean. So our step 2 is going to be, we're going to find out the absolute value. So just don't worry about whether it's less or more. Just how far away, distance-wise, is each of these numbers from the absolute value. So for example, I'm going to first look at 58. If I was to make a number line and I was to plot 58, 58 would be right about here. 58 from 64, so 64 minus 58. 58 is approximately 4 spaces away. Okay, so right now I know 58 is 4 away. Then I'm going to do the same thing with 88. How far is 88? Well, let's subtract 88 minus 64. Let's see how far away that is. So that's going to give me 24. So that's where these numbers are coming from, okay? 58 is 4 away. All these numbers. I'm going to do that for every single one until I find out all these numbers. So all these numbers that you see here on this picture are how far away are all these numbers. Once I have all of those, I now am going to add all of these up and find the mean of these. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If I add 16 plus 24 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8 plus 16 plus 24, and then divide by how many we have, which is also 8, I have now found the mean absolute deviation, which is 12.5, and that's it.